everyone, welcome. It's Sandy. We're gonna do a cup pour blowout tonight. I got a 16 by 20 canvas ready to go with white acrylic with 50% of the water glue mixture mixed in with it. It's gonna torch out some of the bubbles. And again, I just mixed all this white, so hopefully it's the right consistency that I want. Kind of looked a little bit like warm honey when I mixed it up, which is the consistency you want it to look like. So fingers crossed this works and we don't have any bloopers like I did my last two videos. No murder scenes today. Alrighty, let's see. I'm gonna do Brilliant Blue. I added a little bit of silicone in this bottle, so they're gonna have a little bit of silicone in it so we can get some cells. I'm going to be doing the turquoise, the deep turquoise, which is my favorite. I'm going to do the berry color I had pre-mixed as well. And we're going to do amethyst in the metallic. And I'm going to do this periwinkle blue, which I'm not totally sold on. It looks gray to me, but we'll see how it works. And I want to add a little yellow. I know, crazy, but I'm going to add a little yellow. So what I'm going to do is 2 cups. And we're going to start with the color I'm not crazy about, periwinkle. I'm going to put that one in first. See how it's kind of like a grayish purple color. I just always thought it was more of a blue, the periwinkle, but what do I know? Okay. Then I'm going to be putting in, which one do I want to do? I'm going to do the metallic amethyst. Try and keep it fairly close to the color that I have in there, which is a little purpley. There we go. And next I'm going to do the berry. Now this is always my favorite kind of painting to do. I really like doing the blowouts, so this should be a good one. Between flowers and the blowout with my blow dryer, that's what I seem to enjoy doing the most. It's just the flowers seem to take longer for videos. Okay, then I'm going to add my Brilliant Blue, which has got the silicone in it. All right, those look pretty even with cup colors in there. So I'm going to just take it, and I think I'm going to flip one here and one about here. Or maybe, I don't know, side by side. I'm not sure. Let's just flip it and see where it lands. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And I'm going to go right here. All right. Now, because this is a 16 by 20, at least I got lots of room to work with. I'm just going to leave it sit for a couple seconds and then lift these cups. I'm just going to go out that way a little bit. Okay, that's one. And then this one, I'm going to go this way a little bit. So far so good. Pouring off the sides here, that's okay. I'm going to do some white flooding around here where I'm going to be blowing. Help that paint blend and move and do everything we need it to do. And I'm going to torch it. Alright, now blow dryer time. Let's see what we get. just gonna let that white sit in there for a second. Then I'm gonna blow it out. I got lots of green blowing off the table here though, so I'm gonna have to get my butt moving. Wow. I saw some of that metallic amethyst sitting there and I'm like, I gotta get that moving out a little bit more. Let's torch this. We've already got lots of cells happening over here. All right. This looks really neat. Look at the blue up there. Gorgeous. Okay, let's try not to move it too much, Sandy, silly girl. Move that back. This red and amethyst in here is just gorgeous. Then we got the teal green and amethyst with the blue bubbles. It looks really neat. It's a very cool abstract painting for sure. I might add a little bit of purple up here and blow it out just because it's too much of the darker color up there. But all in all, it's definitely a complete success. Looks really good. Excellent. All right, thanks very much for joining me, everyone.